Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your nickname with Apple emoji logo on Free Fire account. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to tap on the name from the top left corner. Now you can see a edit button just beside your username. Tap on it. Now you can see there is a space for changing your nickname, so you have to change your nickname here. That means you have to paste your nickname here after copying the Apple logo emoji. But how do I copy the Apple logo emoji? For that you have to go to the Chrome browser and you have to search for Apple logo emoji text for Free Fire. Now you have to tap on the second link, freefirenamestyle.com. Okay, now you have to just tap on this emoji and it has been copied, and you have to write your name here and you have to paste that particular emoji and it will work. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.